Hey everyone, so this is the Measy RC11 air mouse and keyboard. I think it's pronounced Measy. Have a look for yourself. It runs a 2.4 GHz wireless with a little USB adapter. From what I've read and heard, it runs on Android, Mac, Windows, whatever you can stick that little plug into. Here it reckons your TV, laptop, Android TV box, computer. I personally got it for one of these. The MK808. My camera doesn't really focus very well. It's a little Android stick. Here's the back of it, in case you want to have a little bit of a read of the box. So, apparently it works, the mouse works by just pointing it, and yeah, I don't know. I'll have to do another video to show you how that works. This is exactly how it comes out of the box, in this pink wrap, in this pink bubble wrap. Quite nice, no dents in the box or anything. So you open it up, here we go. Got some instructions, I'd say. Air mouse manual, yep, cool. It's in English, awesome. I got this off eBay, straight from China. 15 or 20 bucks, Australian. So here we go. See if we can get the flash going. We'll turn that off, it wasn't very nice, was it? Alright, so here it is. So you've got a little direction pad, got all your F buttons like on a normal keyboard, you got your tab, caps lock, shift, control, alt, space. There's your left mouse button, your right mouse button, and I've read that if you push the little Android it switches it from mouse to keyboard mode. Still, I'm not too sure how that works. Got some more, page up, page down. Good if you're looking for movies or something. Now we have two space bars, so that's pretty convenient, depending on how you like to type. Enter button, quite nice. There it is, there's the back of it. Yeah, I've still got to figure out how to take this apart. Looks like there's a, well, you can't really see it, but there's a battery LED indicator. I would say that comes off there. There's a little hole there. Probably get to your battery and your little USB connector. If I had nails I could get it off, but I can't. Anyway, this is unboxing of it. I'll do another video, show you how it works, tell you what I think of it, and we'll go from there. Alright, catch you later.